Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. So, I want to tell you how you can get all the business equipment, electronics that you may need to start or jumpstart your current business because you may need an upgrade on some of your equipment. So, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to let you guys know how you can actually use your business credit. No social security number required and only using your EIN, you can open a Verizon business account and you are eligible to get financing on phones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. I made a few notes for you guys today, so that's what I'm going to be looking at on my phone because I want to make sure I'm giving y'all the tea. I want to give you all the information. I've already told you guys about different options that you have as far as getting business credit cards, business loans that are EIN only, soft inquiries, things of that nature. But I recently have been looking at some of the other options that Verizon offers as far as the business accounts because I know with them, you can easily open a business account with them just under your EIN number and start, getting a new phone and things of that nature. But if you want to do EIN only, the best thing for you to do as a starting process is you want to make sure that you have your business credit built out. So for my people who already have your business credit built out and you have a Duns and Bradstreet score that's at least an 80, your experience is an 80, and then on your Equifax you at least have like a 550. This is a great option for you to get some additional equipment that you might need for your business, even if you just need a phone line. So I'm going to start out by explaining to you the requirements on what you need to have your business properly structured and established. So, first thing that you need is you're going to have either an LLC, an S Corp, corporation, something that you legally filed your business with the Secretary of State. So, that is your first step. Once you've gotten that set up, done, out the way, you're then going to get your EIN number. Your EIN number is free on the IRS website. Your EIN number is pretty much your tax identification number for when you're filing taxes on your business. And then your third thing you need to get is called your Duns and Bradstreet number, or for short, your DUNS number. I'll be sure to link everything in the description for y'all that I am going over. So your DUNS number is the number that you use to actually build business credit on your business. So whenever you're applying for your trade lines, you're going to give that number because that's how they associate your business with it. And it's also free and you can get it on their website. It takes about 5 to 7 days for you to actually get. So you have your LLC, you have your EIN number, and you have your DUNS number. Now we're ready to start building business credit. So the simplest way for me to explain this to you guys is just like you have to build your personal credit up, you have to build your business credit. And the best way to do that is to add accounts showing that you're being financed and you're paying them back on a monthly basis. So in order for you to generate a business credit score, you need at least 3 business credit trade lines. And I'm going to give you 3 that you can get, and they'll all report within the next 30 to 45 days. So with building your business credit out, as long as you add all your accounts, you can really generate and have a score that's ready to start applying for stuff within the next 30 to 90 days. Just to give you a full spectrum of time to get everything up and reporting, making sure all your details are correct. Now, we're ready to start adding our business credit trade line. The first thing that I want to point out is please make sure that all your information matches what you originally gave the Secretary of State. So, for example, whatever address you put on that application needs to associate with your business credit. Whatever phone numbers, all that stuff needs to match up because it can cause your business credit scores not to report. If you're having any issues with your address, please make your address change with the Secretary of State. Allow that to process. Takes like 2 or 3 days. You can just call them and ask them for the address change form. And then from there, you start adding all your other trade lines so everything matches up. So we have 3 business credit trade lines we need to add. The first one, and is my fave, is always going to be NavPrime. I love NavPrime so much. I love NavPrime because it is a great option for people who are just starting to build business credit. You don't know what is going on. You don't know what your business credit scores are. NavPrime allows you to view your business credit scores, get more information about building it and financing on their platform for free. But if you want to be a game changer, you need to get the paid version. It's $49.99 a month. For the paid version, you'll get a detailed report of your business credit report. You will also get 1 business credit trade line that will start reporting within the next 30 days. And they also then offer you an option to get their business credit charge card at no additional fee. And that gives you a second business credit trade line. So you're really getting 2 accounts for the price of one for $49.99 a month, along with being able to monitor your business credit scores and profile at any time. So if you ever need to check and see, okay, did my trade lines hit? What are my scores? You can literally just log into your NavPrime app or on the website and pull everything up. So that's why I love NavPrime. And with their charge card, all you do is link your bank account to it, and your everyday business transactions will actually help you with increasing your credit limit with them over time. So it's a great option. So that's 2 business credit trade lines out the gate with NavPrime. So you're going to need a third business credit trade line. One of them that I think is super simple and actually offers things that you may need is going to be Crown Office Supplies. Now, with Crown Office Supplies, they're going to give you a credit limit of $1,000 once you sign up and apply, and then you have to make a purchase of at least $100. And they have a plethora of office supplies you may need. Normally, I'll use them to get like trash bags, cleaning supplies, any type of boxes, paper, all those type of things that I know I actually use in my business, and it'll equal up to $100. So with Crown Office Supply, that will give you your third business credit trade line that will report on your credit. So now you have your 3 business credit trade lines, and you just have to wait your next 30 to 45 days to let all of them report on your business credit so that you can check the status and check your scores. And then they will report on your Experian business, Equifax business, and your Duns and Bradstreet. Now, we've gotten building our business credit out the way. Now we're getting straight into the nitty gritty of this Verizon account. For my people who already have business credit, this is where you need to come because these are your next steps. You can open your account online, and as long as you have at least an Experian and Duns and Bradstreet of 80 and an Equifax of about 550, you can go ahead and go straight into applying for the Verizon financing option. So on their actual website, they do allow you to finance all of their products that are available. You have an option to finance phones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, and then they also have a hotspot option available. So all of those things are available for you to finance. Once you finance those things, they also have a lot of great cheaper phone plan options that are available for you as well. And I'll be sure to put the phone plans up here for you. So they have 3 different plans. They're starting as low as $65, $70, $80. And then, of course, if you finance a phone, the financing fee will go on your bill. So this is a great way for you to be able to get the equipment you need, whether it be a phone, tablet, or a smartwatch, and still have a bill that can be potentially under $100 for one device or one person. And of course, it'll be a little bit more after the fact. Now, if you decide to do auto pay, you get a $5 discount. But the biggest thing that I saw and I really wanted to pay attention to is they actually have a military discount where your bill can be as low as $30 a month. And the eligibility was pretty broad on that. So I wanted to give you guys more information about if you are, a part of the military, what that eligibility looks like. So this person must be active duty. You can be a student of the U.S. Military Academy. You can be an employee of Commission Corp of the U.S. Public Health, National Oceanics, or Atmospheric Administration. This applies to veterans, retired military, current or former National Guard or reservists, and immediate family, spouse, father, brother, sister, son, daughter of a veteran, guardsman, reservist, or service member, live or deceased. So if you can show proof that you are currently active or related to someone who was live or deceased in the military, you can literally get a phone plan as low as $30. So you can't beat those options. I think that's really great. So for my people who you may need a new phone, you may need a tablet, even if you need a laptop. I didn't even know they finance laptops. If you need a laptop, you can literally build your business credit, go with Verizon Business, and start financing some of the equipment you need to get started with your business out the gate. A win is a win, baby. A win is a win. Last but not least, let's say you already have your devices. I don't need that. I just need an affordable phone plan. No worry. If you bring your own phone and you keep your number, they do have a transfer promo where you can get $600 off that will be broken up into a credit on your actual bill itself. And that is available online for you guys as well. So I will put the link in the description for the Verizon business account and all the information for you guys to be able to finance devices, look at their phone plans, and also see the promotions that they do have available. But this is a great option for anyone who's looking to jumpstart getting some equipment for your business, or even if you know you just need an upgrade. Maybe some of your stuff is broken, you need a replacement, and you don't have the money to pay for that out the gate. This is a great option. So comment below and let me know you made it. Let me know if you guys like this video. I know it's something a little different. I'm trying to feel the vibe on what type of content you guys may want to see more of from me. So definitely let me know. And lastly, but not least, I did want to say, if you ever need any assistance, you're confused, you really need some guidance on actually building out your business credit and getting the different financing options that are available, I do offer one-on-one business consultations where I actually will go over how you can better structure your business. I will help you and assist you with building out your business credit. If you already have NavPrime, I'll pull up your account and let you know adjustments I feel like you should make. So anything you need that you feel will take your business to the next level, even if it's with business funding, I can assist you. So I will put the link in the description for y'all to book a business consultation. And until next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.